In your first acrylic color class, you are going to learn to paint a simple tree, as well as you will learn how to blend colors. So for this I have taken ultramarine blue color, instead of which you can take Prussian blue color also, then white color, then lemon yellow color, black, and crimson lake color. So you need a flat brush for the background coloring. Here I have taken um, a brush number that is 9. So take the color, then leave on the paper, and move your brush and right. Then also you can mix the colors and blend properly to get a beautiful blue sky. Once the sky is painted, then you can apply the lemon yellow color below it, the same way, left right, and I have taken the same brush for painting the lemon yellow color also. Finish applying the lemon yellow color, you may leave the painting for drying. So once it is dry, then use a round brush and make the tree. Now apply the crimson lake color to make your tree colorful. Now apply white color on the crimson lake colors to get a beautiful pink color. Now going to add some shapes below the tree.